In today's digital age, instant personalized responses aren't just a bonus, they're the expectation, especially on platforms like Instagram, where businesses, influencers, and creators thrive on real-time connection. Responsiveness is critical. But here's the challenge: you can't always be online. What if you could automate your Instagram DMs and make them feel like a real conversation, powered by artificial intelligence? In this video, we're diving deep into how to add a ChatGPT-powered chatbot to your Instagram account. You'll learn exactly what tools you need, how to set them up, and how to train your AI bot to sound just like you, or even better. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or just curious about integrating AI into your social channels, this is your complete step-by-step guide. Let's get started. Section 1. Understanding the opportunity. Let's start with the big picture. Instagram is no longer just a place to post pictures. It's a powerful platform for business. Over 1 billion users log in every month, and over 90% of them follow at least one brand. But here's the stat that really matters. More than 50% of Instagram users say they've messaged a business directly through DMs. That means your direct messages aren't just inbox clutter. They're a sales channel. The problem is, you can't respond to every message manually. That's where ChatGPT comes in. Using AI to power your Instagram chatbot means you can answer FAQs 24/7, help customers place orders, qualify leads, book appointments, and even redirect traffic to your website, shop, or landing pages. Now, this isn't about replacing humans. It's about enhancing your availability and creating a smooth, branded experience for everyone who messages you. Section 2. What you'll need. To set this up, we need 5 core components. 1. An Instagram business or creator account. 2. A linked Facebook page, required for API access. 3. Access to Meta's Messenger API. 4. A chatbot platform that supports Instagram and integrates with OpenAI. 5. An OpenAI API key to enable GPT responses. The simplest path for most people? Use a no-code platform like ManyChat or Chatfuel, which handles all the API heavy lifting and now supports GPT integration directly. If you're a developer or working with one, we'll touch on how to build your own backend too. Let's move step by step. Section 3. Setting up Instagram and Facebook. First, ensure your Instagram account is switched to a professional account. Here's how. 1. Open Instagram. 2. Tap your profile icon. 3. Go to Settings bar. Account, switch to Professional account. Choose either Business or Creator, depending on your needs. For most businesses, Business is the right choice. Now link this Instagram account to a Facebook page. You can do this within Instagram or from your Facebook page settings. Why is this step important? Because Instagram's API permissions are managed through your Facebook page. Without it, no automation tool can connect to your DMs. Once everything's linked, visit business.facebook.com and ensure your page has messaging permissions enabled. Section 4. Choosing your chatbot platform. Next, pick the platform that will power your chatbot. There are 2 main approaches. Option 1. No-code platforms. Platforms like ManyChat, Chatfuel, MobileMonkey, or TDO have visual interfaces and pre-built Instagram connectors. Most now offer GPT integration or allow you to add custom webhooks. Pros: fast to set up, no coding required, integrated analytics and CRM tools. Cons: limited customization unless you upgrade. Monthly subscription fees. Option 2. Custom development. If you want full control, you can build your own chatbot using Meta's Graph API, a backend using Node.js, Python or Flask, and of course, the OpenAI API. Pros: maximum flexibility. Can fine-tune responses or build a fully branded assistant, ideal for developers or agencies. Cons: requires coding knowledge, longer setup time, must manage hosting and API calls. In this video, we'll walk through the ManyChat setup, since it's the fastest way to get up and running. Section 5. Connecting ManyChat to Instagram. Go to ManyChat.com and sign up for a free account. Once inside the dashboard, 1. Click Get Started with Instagram. 2. Log in using your Facebook credentials. 3. Select the Facebook page linked to your Instagram. ManyChat will automatically pull in your Instagram profile and verify the connection. Now, under the Automation tab, choose Default Reply. This is the message people receive when they first DM you, or when your bot doesn't recognize a phrase. Let's personalize that response. Try something like, "Hi there, I'm Instabot, your personal assistant here. How can I help you today?" Later, we'll add GPT to make this reply dynamic and intelligent. Section 6. Adding ChatGPT to your bot. Time to bring in the AI. Visit platform OpenAI.com, log in and navigate to the API Keys section. Click Create New Secret Key and save it somewhere safe. Back in ManyChat. 1. Go to Settings, External Requests. 2. Create a new webhook. 3. Paste the URL of your custom middleware script. Now, here's what this middleware does. Captures the user's message, sends it to OpenAI's GPT endpoint, receives the AI's reply, sends the reply back to Instagram via ManyChat. You can use hosting platforms like Render, Replit, or Vercel to deploy the script. Or, if you prefer, ManyChat's GPT plugin does this for you. You just paste in your OpenAI key and adjust the settings. Choose your GPT model, 3.5 for speed, or GPT-4 for smarter answers. And finally, set up the bot flow. Capture the input, send it to GPT, display the response, end or loop the flow based on the user's next message. Now your Instagram chatbot can understand natural language and respond intelligently, in real time. Section 7. Making your bot smarter. ChatGPT is smart, but with the right guidance, it gets even better. This is where prompt design comes in. When sending a message to the GPT API, you can customize the prompt to give your bot personality and context. Example: you are a friendly professional assistant for a boutique fashion brand. Keep responses under 100 words. If you don't know an answer, direct the user to our contact form. This ensures GPT stays on brand, on topic, and concise. You can also pre-program answers for frequently asked questions. Things like, "Where's my order? What's your return policy? What size should I get?" For these, create keyword triggers in ManyChat that bypass GPT and give predefined answers, reducing API usage and speeding up replies. Section 8. Testing, monitoring, and training. Before going public, test your bot from multiple accounts. Try basic greetings, complex questions, typos and slang, emoji-heavy messages. Evaluate how relevant and helpful the responses are, whether the tone matches your brand, if the flow feels natural or robotic. Based on feedback, refine your prompts and fallback messages. And set up analytics in ManyChat to monitor user drop-off points, response times, popular questions, engagement rate. This gives you insight into what works and what doesn't. Update your flows regularly and treat your bot like a member of your team that's constantly learning. Section 9. Staying compliant with Meta's policies. Meta takes user experience seriously, and that means you need to follow their rules. Here are the big ones. 1. User-initiated messaging. Bots can only respond after a user sends a message. No unsolicited outreach. 2. 24-hour messaging. Window: you have 24 hours after the last user message to reply freely. After that, messages must be transactional or fall under special tags. 3. Privacy and transparency. Always tell users they're interacting with a bot, and offer a way to talk to a real person if needed. 4. Rate limits and API quotas. Avoid spammy behavior. Stick to natural conversation flow and test your bot under Meta's guidelines. Follow these practices to avoid bans or API restrictions and to keep user trust high. Section 10. Promoting your chatbot. Once your bot is live, don't just sit back, promote it. Here are 5 simple ways. 1. Instagram bio, CTA. Add "DM us for instant help" or "Chat with our AI assistant" in your bio. 2. Story highlights. Create a "Chat with us" story showing how the bot works. 3. Pinned post. Share a reel or carousel explaining the bot and how to use it. 4. Comment to chat. Use ManyChat's comment trigger to send a DM when someone comments a keyword on your post. 5. DM ads. Run Instagram ads with send message as the call to action, sending people directly to your bot. The more people interact with your chatbot, the more value you'll get from it. And there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide to setting up a ChatGPT-powered chatbot on Instagram. Whether you're looking to scale support, generate leads, or simply offer 24/7 responses, this tool puts AI in your hands. No coding required. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Thanks for watching, and remember, in the world of social media, it's not the loudest that wins. It's the most responsive. Stay smart, stay connected, stay ahead.